pads all, well, on the front anyway. Fully serviced by VW to include a Cambelt about 800 mile ago, I think it is roughly, and water pump and everything else. Table, for you people who don't know California's, fits into the door there, hides away nicely. That table folds down and tucks up both sides of the seat. Twin revolving seats. DVD, playing James Bond at the minute. Sink, double gas, which has got a gas bottle in. Fridge. Those are the inside window covers. They're magnetic, actually fit inside the car. With some storage, and additional speakers. Bit of a wardrobe. Rock and roll bed that folds flat. There's a drawer inside with the fly screens for these windows when they're fully opened. There and there. Cupboards. Knives and forks. Another cupboard. Morning triangle. That's the gas shut off, the stove. I'll do some photos to follow with the bed in its lay down position. These chairs actually go into the tailgate. Door shuts and it's soft close, as is the tailgate. So the two chairs go in here, and that zip bag fold up flat in the back tailgate, so again no loss of room. The toolkit and everything all fits into that. These lift up to make the bed. And the gas bottle is under here, under there. Right, we have blinds that pull down, all factory fitted blinds. We have the air conditioning, we have the light up there. You have electric hook up with a lead and the water. So there's no dents or scratches, pretty very clean, level, tidy vehicle. Yeah, obviously the tyres are all new. That same, exactly the same tread, same new discs. Opening side windows. As I said, fly screens inside. Right, seats, aircon, automatic, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. Come to that in a minute. Right, carpets, double matted, original factory mats. Carpets are good underneath. California lights. Storage, airbag. So I've got the double rails which you get on the Californias. We also have a 2-bedroomed and a lounge with a porch, blow-up awning which fits nicely under the back seat. So then it's huge, it's bigger than the size of the footprint of the van. this gives you your voltage for the fridge when it works off its auxiliary battery, as well as when you plug it in. And then if you go to, you can do the roof pop up and down, auxiliary heater, got the auxiliary heater as well, refrigerator, display clock. So you can do the roof automatically, electrically, up and down. I won't demonstrate because you have to have two hands really. Quite easy to use. All your lights work as they should. And you've got blinds, go there. The window blinds for the front are all in that box I showed you earlier. And then your other blinds are there. You can lift that up if need be. The tap goes up. Empty that in a minute. I've got some pictures with the awning set up on it, which is also brand new, and I'll put those on with the photos as well. Thank you for looking.